What's up? It's been a long time since I've done an update on here, so I'm just going to do a really quick update to show what's changed. So the last update, I think I was still in the early stages of building the cage, but that's pretty much all done at this point. It's all fully welded, tied into the chassis. You can see all my floor plates are done. It's fully welded. The cage is not moving. My front boxes. Plating the floors was not very fun. Final welding was not very fun, but it is all pretty much done. I added a lot more bracing in my initial plans, which made it a bit more difficult. The only tube not welded is the harness bar, actually. I'm still playing around with the seating position, so until that's finalized, I'm not going to make anything permanent there. So right now, I'm just working on the front strut tower tie-ins to the cage. You can kind of see my PVC mock-up tube there. Holes are cut through the firewall. So actually right after I'm done making this video, I'm going to start stripping the towers, get the paint and seam sealer out of there, start making my plates, and just start working on those final tubes. Once the strut towers are tied in, I can cut out the final bits of firewall, start planning out some manifolds, and then start planning the new firewall, planning the new tunnel, and then I can start playing with pedal position, and then that'll help me finalize the seat. So it all kind of goes together. Progress is slow but steady, so hopefully I'll have time to make a better video soon. Pretty much all I got right now, so thanks for watching.